Uh-oh. We got a bird's nest. You don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Well, don't play the fool. Man, I gotta get my kayak, guys, because I need to get in the water. You guys need to help me out, man. No one has told me how to convince my wife how to let me get a kayak. I need you guys' help, man. I need to get in this water. I need to fish. Summer's coming up quick. The coronavirus is fucking up everything. I don't even call anybody to come fishing anymore because I try to respect everybody's space. So please, guys, help me out. I need to get my wife to let me have a kayak. She's scared that I might drown or something, you know. But you know, we only live once and we can only fish as much as we can, so with a kayak we can move this shit around. We can get this stuff going. See how the current's coming around that corner? So I throw it against the wall and let it drop. Hopefully get a fish's attention. Then I let it float a little bit. It'll swim with the current. And then I start bringing it back in. And then on my other one, I have an artificial squid with a worm on it. And that's worked before, so trying it out again. Don't play the fool. And look into my eyes. Uh-oh, I've been telling lies. Don't play by rules, no, no. So that was not so great, not what I wanted to get, but I had a good time. Caught my crappies. Didn't get my car. So next time, help me out, guys. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Alright, boys. Tour is out.